Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to a tutorial on how I play Ride Like the Wind by Christopher Cross on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we'll start with a C minor 7 chord to a B flat chord, C minor 7, B flat, A flat, B flat, C minor 7, B flat. Here's how we're playing our C minor 7 chord. I'm barring fret 3 from the A string down, bringing in a finger to the B string fret 4 and the D string fret 5, and I'm strumming from the A string. For my B flat, I'm just playing the D, G, and B strings at fret 3. For A flat, I'm moving down to fret 1 and doing the same thing. So those are the 3 chords we'll need for the intro. When we get to the verses, we'll bounce between an E flat chord and a B flat chord, like this. For the E flat, I'm simply barring at fret 3 to play my B flat, and I'm going to bring in a finger to fret 4 on the B string and fret 5 on the D string, and those 3 strings, the D, G, and B, are the only strings I'm going to play. I'm going to play we'll be playing that for a big part of the song. Now when we get to the pre-chorus, we'll play an A flat major 7 chord by going to fret 4 and playing this chord. That's an A flat major 7. Now that's a little tricky to get your fingers on, but I'll give you an easy alternative to that in a minute. We'll bar fret 4, bring in the middle finger to the D string fret 5 and the ring finger to fret 5 on the G string, and then the little finger goes up here to fret 6, and we're strumming from the low E string down to the B string. Our next chord is a G minor 7 formed this way. Now what I'm doing for that chord is barring everything from the D string down on fret 3 and putting a bass note at fret 3 on the low E string. I'm muting the A string. Now easy alternatives for those would be this one, and that is a simple C minor chord. We can play that and then go to a G minor 7 just by playing this. So those are easy substitutes for those hard to make chords. Next is our chorus break. For that break, we'll play this. We played a C minor 7, D minor 7, E flat major 7, and B flat. And we're going to play that B flat when we descend the chords, like this. As for how we're forming the chords, we had our B flat just by holding down the strings at fret 3, the D, G, and B, and then we went to our C minor 7. We're going to raise that a whole step for D minor 7, and for the E flat major 7, we're going to bar fret 6 from the A string down, bring in a finger to the D string at fret 8, the G string at fret 7, and the B string at fret 8. And I'm not really playing the high E. Now if you do play it, it's okay, but I'm leaving that string out to get that mellow sound. So we're playing E flat major 7, D minor 7, C minor 7, and B flat. So that's Here's how we're going to strum those chords. We're going to start with the C minor 7 and play down, up, then down, down. D minor 7, down. E flat major 7, down. We'll go back and do that again. And then we'll go up to E flat major 7, D minor 7. So here's the entire thing. Down, up, down, up. Down, 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 down. Down, up, down, up. Down, 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 down. Down, up, down, up. Down, 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 down. Down, down, and then B flat. Next, let's take a look at the guitar solo. Now I'm going to attempt to show you how I play the main part of the guitar solo in this song. You can use any distortion pedal for this song, but I'm going to be using my Electro Harmonix Big Muff distortion pedal, which I've had for years. I'm going to play it first without any distortion at all or any kind of effects so that you can hear what's going on in the solo. It should sound something like this without any effects. Now I'll play it again, break it up into small parts, and show you tabs on the screen. Past this point, the solo gets into a lot of fast arpeggios, which I won't try to cover in this video. Well, alright my friends, that's how I play Ride Like the Wind by Christopher Cross on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.